Hello friends, welcome to Technonymy. Today I will tell you how you can compute the values of in and out from the following graphs. So this will be our given graph, and from that we have to find the values of in and out. So for that, watch this video carefully. We have to first generate the gen and kill code values. This is the first step. Now make the columns as block, gen and kill. So what is basically the gen and kill is that the gen values are those values which are defined within the blocks, and the kill values are those values which are defined outside the blocks. Means, see, in block B1 the I and J are two instructions. Okay, so and their numbers are 1 and 2. Then the 1 and 2 are defined in the instruction, so we will put it in the gen value 1, 2, and I and J are defined in first block. So where else the I and J is defined? In 3, 4 and 5. So that's why we have put those values in 3, 4 and 5. Then what is defined in B2? I is equal to 1. So we will put in so the value it is 3, and we will define it is in gen is 3. Then where else is I is defined? In first. So here. So we will put this value in kill. Now third block. What is defined in the third block? J is equal to j plus 1. Where else j is defined? In second and fifth. So we will put 4 in gen and the values of 2 and 5 in kill. Similarly in B4, j is equal to j minus 4. So j, fifth is defined, fifth will be in gen, and else 2 and 4 will be defined in kill. So, and in B5 nothing is generated and nothing is defined outside, so the values will be 5 and 5. So basically what is gen and kill is that the functions in the block which are defined inside that block will be put, we will put those number of the instructions in the gen column, and the functions which are defined in the block B1, in the functions which are defined in the block B1 and also which are defined in the other blocks, we will put that functions in kill. Okay. Now the second step is that find a predecessor. Predecessor basically is the incoming edges. So in block B1, which is incoming? B2. B2 is coming to B1. So we will put the predecessor of B1 as B2. Now in B2, which edges are coming? B1 and B5. So the predecessor of B2 is B1 and B5. In B3, what is coming? B2 is coming. So predecessor of B3 is B2. In B4, what is coming? B3 and B4. Okay. On B4, what is coming? Only B3 is coming. So the value of B4 will be B3. On B5, what is coming? B3 and B4. So the value of it will be B3 and B4. Okay. Now we have constructed the gen code, and we also have constructed the predecessors. Now we have to find the iterations. So for the iterations we have to make 3 columns as block, in and out. So by default in the first iterations we have to give 5 values to all the blocks as in the in column. We have to by default gives the, we have to give the 5 value, and in the out you have to give the gen values. By default the what we have just calculated the gen values of the block in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. In the same way we have to given such type of value to gen. Okay, so our iteration first is complete. Now move to iteration 2. In iteration 2 again we have to construct the block in and out in the same way. Now what is the formula of in? So in will be in of B union out of P, where B is block and P is predecessor, and out is in minus scale union G. So I will tell you what is in. So we have to first look in the B1 block. So in B1, what is predecessor? B2. Okay, now we have to look in the iteration 1. Means if you are solving the iteration 2, you have to look iteration 1. If you are solving the iteration 3, we have to refer iteration 2. Okay, in the similar way, what is the predecessor of B1? B2. Now we have to see in the iteration 1 what is B2, what is out of B2. Out of B2 is 3. So in the same way this will be 3. Now what is the formula of out? In minus kill union gen. So what is in? 3 minus gen. So what is the value of b1 of gen? 1 2. So here in minus kill, so 3 4 5 union gen. So what is gen? 1 2. So 3 minus 3 4 5 union 1 2, the answer will be 1 2. Okay, now b2, what is the in of b2? We have to again look back into the predecessor. Then in b2 the values are b1 and b5. So again we have to look in the iteration 1. What is the value of b1 and b5? 1 2 and 5. So we have to union this 1 2. So in the similar way the value of b2 is 1 2. And what is the out? So to calculate the out, we have to give in. The value of formula of out is in minus kill union gen. So in means 1 2 minus, what is kill? Kill of b2? Kill of b2 is 1. So 1 2 minus 1 union 3. So here in the similar way you can put all the values of iterations. This is the iteration 2. Now this is another iterations. This is block b1, iteration 3, iteration 4 and iteration 5. We have to continuously solve the iterations unless we get the similar values. Similarly for the iteration 3 we have to refer iteration 2, means the value of in. So again for the in values we have to refer the predecessor tables, and for the out values we have to use the formulas. Means simple. I will tell you the first example. In b1 what is 2 2 3. So what is the predecessor of b1? b2. Okay, then what is the out of b2 in iteration 2? Out of b is 2 3. So we will simply write in as 2 3. Okay, now for the out in 2, so in minus kill union gen. So 2 3 minus kill, what is the value of the kill? 1 minus 3. So 2 3 minus in minus kill. So what is the kill of b1? 3 4 5. So 2 3 minus 3 4 5 union 1 2 means the value of gen is 1 2. So union 1 2, the answer will be this. In the similar way we have to solve the iteration 3. Then for the iteration 4 we have to again refer iteration 3, and for the iteration 5 we have to again refer the iteration 4. Now in a similar way we have calculated all the in and out values, but while calculating we have observed that the iteration 4 is exactly equal to as iteration 3. Okay, so whenever we consider at this stage, whenever we will reach at this stage, so we have to stop here, as the values of iteration in and out in iteration 4 and the values of in and out in iteration 5 are exactly same. So nothing, we have to stop here, and our final values of in and out will be this. So this is all about in and out. You can I will show you the complete. You just pause the video and you can take a snap of this, and you can see how I have solved this. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.